You know, many people have done dry fasting that have watched this channel. And if you're new here, I wrote a book, The Phoenix Protocol, on dry fasting for rapid healing and radical life extension. And I thought maybe this was the time of year to introduce the book. I talk about it, I have it in my little, blurb at the start, but this is a really unique book because this will teach you how to dry fast. And for those of you who have dry fasted and understand how much better you feel after you do these therapies, you might want to buy this book for your friends. You can buy it on Amazon, links below, have it shipped out so it gets there right after the holidays so they can party crazy and have fun and do all the stuff you need to do to celebrate the end of the year, do the New Year's parties and all that stuff, and then have that dry fasting book. Because what this book probably represents is the ultimate hall pass. You can almost do anything you want, then do a dry fast and it fixes everything and gets rid of the trash. It's just the most remarkable thing. So this Christmas, maybe you should buy your friends the book on dry fasting because you might save their life. You might allow them to cure a disease they think they have when it's just some debris that hasn't been gotten rid of. All sorts of things that can happen to people on this planet, in this environment, with the kind of stuff we're exposed to all the time. Buy them the book, The Phoenix Protocol. Give that as the gift of life this year. It's the most amazing book. It's easy to understand. It goes through all the chemistry and all the reasons you don't want to water fast and why dry fasting works so well and how it metabolically changes your physiology during the fast. It's really a very, very good book. And I suggest everybody getting one because if that thing up there, we know who you're talking about up there, that thing up there decides to go pop, and we have no more videos and no more electronics and no more computers and stuff for a while, you still got the book. And things will get a little tough if that actually happens, and you might need the book. My idea is get something that's you can hold. It's like you don't buy ETF gold, you buy a gold coin. You buy it, you own it. You hold it, you own it. Get the book. It's like that. You will own your life, you will own your health, and you will help other people understand how we've been tricked. I mean, really badly, about what we should or shouldn't eat. The low salt thing, the margarine thing, the hate the egg thing, all that stuff that actually hurts us that they're telling us to do. This is the book that unwraps that. Because when you start unwrapping that, you might buy my other books and start unwrapping even more stuff. Anyway, that's kind of the message today. Why don't you get a Phoenix Protocol for your friends? I know a couple of people have actually written on my YouTube channel that that's what they've done. They've given it away as Christmas gifts. And I thought, well, maybe that's a good idea. Maybe I should talk about that and just talk about this book. I mean, I'm pushing 74, 75 years old. I'm at the beach. I surf. I do all this stuff. Metabolically, I'm not that chronological age, obviously. And and so instead I can just sort of hang out with my bird friends right here on the beach as they go through their cycle and enjoy life because I'm focused outward. When you don't feel well and you hurt, you're all inside yourself. You don't care what's going on here. You care about what's going on inside of here. Dry fasting fixes what's going on inside of here so that you can look out and expand your view. That's one of the biggest things about dry fasting. I just did a video on peace of mind with dry fasting. It'll change your life, it'll change your attitude, it'll change your body, it'll give you tools you didn't even know you had. Buy the book this Christmas, and I will probably talk to you a little later.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.